It is the most hostile world in the solar system. Hot enough to melt lead, crushing enough to flatten a submarine, wrapped in clouds of acid. So why are scientists now sending a spacecraft to look for life? On Venus. For decades, Venus was the planet we wrote off. A dead, poisoned twin of Earth. But a strange signal found in its clouds cracked that story wide open and revived one of the boldest questions in science. First, understand just how brutal Venus really is. Its surface sits around 465 degrees Celsius, hotter than a pizza oven turned up as far as it can go, everywhere, all the time. The air itself is a weapon. The atmosphere is almost entirely carbon dioxide, pressing down about 90 times harder than Earth's. Standing there, you would be crushed and roasted in the same instant. So nobody is looking for life on the ground. The search points upward, to the clouds. Because roughly 50 kilometers above that hellish surface, something surprising happens. Up in that cloud layer, the temperature and pressure become almost Earth-like. It is, weirdly, one of the most comfortable spots in the entire solar system beyond our own planet. The catch: those clouds are made largely of sulfuric acid. Now here is the twist that restarted everything. In 2020, a team announced they had detected phosphine in Venus's clouds. On Earth, phosphine is mostly produced by living things. That claim was and still is fiercely debated. Other scientists questioned the data. Some analyses found the signal, others could not. To be clear, phosphine is not proof of life, but it was enough to make the world look again. Because if something is making phosphine on Venus, there are only two options: either an unknown chemical process we have never seen, or something alive, floating in the clouds. Both answers would be extraordinary, and that is why a new mission is heading there. A small private probe built by Rocket Lab and scientists at MIT designed to do one thing: fly straight into the clouds and take a direct look. The plan is precise. As it plunges through the cloud deck, the probe fires a laser into the acid droplets and watches how they glow. That glow could reveal organic molecules, the chemical fingerprints of life's building blocks. It will have only about 5 minutes inside the clouds before Venus destroys it. 5 minutes to sample a place we have never touched and answer a question we have asked for a century. Why does this matter beyond Venus? Because if life can survive in clouds of acid on a neighboring planet, then the number of places life could exist across the galaxy suddenly explodes. There is honest uncertainty here. The probe may find nothing. The phosphine may vanish under better data. Astrobiology is littered with signals that faded. Scientists are hopeful, but they are not promising an answer. So the question we opened with stands: why look for life in a place this deadly? Because the clouds of Venus are hiding something. And for the first time, we are going to fly in and ask them directly. This is VeraCurrent,